Welcome back to StereoInstalls.com. Do you have a 1998 to 2026 Harley touring bike? One of the things you might realize about it is that the motor's pretty sweet, but sometimes, most of the time, even if you have the upgraded audio, the factory stereo is very lackluster. You need a new motor for the stereo. That's where Hertz comes in. This is the entry-level Hertz 4.500 amplifier for your motorcycle. It's IP67 rated, which means it's good in weather and heat and cold temperatures. No matter what you're doing, it's protected. This is 90 by 4. You can run it in 4-channel mode. You can run it in 2-channel mode where you bridge channels 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Maybe if you have some subwoofers or mid-basses in your bags, you want it to thump. Or you can run it in 3-channel mode, which would power front speakers and then bridge it on channels 3 and 4 in the rear bags. This thing is heavy. You can tell by the weight of it and the feel of it, it's made very, very well. This is the 4.500 from SPO Show. It is plug and play for your motorcycle. This can be added along with speakers for the front and rear, wiring harness, quick disconnects for your bags to fit seamlessly behind the fairing of your motorcycle. We actually also have an amp rack that you can add to this to make it fit perfectly. Don't worry about rattling around or getting loose while you're riding on your motorcycle. Go ahead and click down below if there's something that interests you. You can come to our shop and get it installed here, or we can ship it to you 2-day shipping for free anywhere in the United States. I want to thank you in advance for your purchase and your commitment to our team at StereoInstalls.com.